Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Gupta. I'm a digital marketer, and today we are going to start a SEO series, and this is our first introductory video. So first of all, we have to know what is search engine and what's their working. So basically, search engine is a software program that helps people find the information they are looking for online using a simple keyword or phrase. For example, if you want to search your mobile phone online, so what you do, you simply open your search engine. What is your search engine? That can be your Google, Bing, Yahoo, MSN. Okay, you simply put your query in your search engine and you can get so many results. This is your search engine. Search engine work on three components. One is your query engine, where you can put your query. Next is your crawler and indexer. We will learn in further slide what is all that. First of all, crawling. What is crawling? Crawling is reading component on web page and storing that information in a database. You can optimize your website for improving crawling efficiency, getting search engine to crawl more content on your website. For example, let's take an example. You have a website and you have so many pages on your website. One is your home page, one is your contact us page, one is your about us page. So how Google know that you have so many pages? There is a function that is Google bot who can crawl your website. First of all, Google bot go to your website and crawling means reading content on your web page. How many pages in your web page, what is the data stored in your web page, how many link you are using on your web page. That is all about crawling. Let me learn crawling by this structure. First of all, seed URL. Seed URL is the basic URL. URL queue. Seed URL have an URL which put Google bot to your site. By URL queue, our crawler just crawl the things. Crawl, and again crawl. And where it gets all these data, our Google bot get all these data from internet and they extract information by crawling your website. And after extracting data, Google bot save these file in the database. And when any person do a keyword or a phrase in Google search query, then that database is displayed on the Google search engine result page. This is how crawling works. Next is your indexing. Indexing is just like you index pages in your notebook. For Google, first of all, crawl your pages, gathering information your pages, and on the basis of the quality of content, relevancy of the content, Google index your site. Indexing is organizing information stored in a database for search query. And how Google do indexing? Google has HTML page and repository page, and Google do store words. Google also get words from your HTML page. And what Google do, whatever be the query you are searching, Google look it in your index, and if you have any page which is related to any search query, then Google display that result page. This is how indexing working. This is all happening. First of all, Google crawling web pages, then it store your web pages in the index, and if any user who is sitting here do any query, that on the basis of indexing, on the basis of ranking algorithm, Google fetch that data from here and display on the screen. This is all happening on the Google, and this is the basic algorithm how your search engine work, and the query which you put on the Google is display on your SERP. Next, search engine rank web pages based on multiple parameters. One is your inbound links, and next is your quality of content on the web pages. Okay, if you have a web page and if you do, there are number of inbound links. So Google crawl all these inbound links, and with the help of these links, Google index your pages. And after indexes, there is a large possibility that these pages are ranked on your Google SERP. we have basically two type of link. One is your internal link, next is your external link. As just display here, see, these are your internal links. For example, you have one home page, and in home page there are basically three categories. There are category A, category B, and category C. And further in these categories we again have pages. So these are all interconnected to each other. For example, if I have created a page based on your mother care, and in mother care we again create a link that is related to something mother facing problem. Okay, for example, you have another page that is mother facing problem. So you create that link in your existing page. That is basically happening in internal link. And what's happening in external link? You have your own website, and if you create your website link to any other website link, or if you create any other website link or page in your website, that is your external link. Google can also crawl another website, and from that website they can crawl your website. Next we have two type of result. For example, if you do any search query in your search engine, you do a query of credit card in your Google search engine, you can get two type of result. One is paid, another one is organic. If you have a paid result, then you can find this highlighter here, ad. It means this is a paid, like you have to pay Google to some money just to rank your website. And in organic, you don't have to pay anything to Google. You just have to do some SEO activity. You have a good quality of content, good inbound link, and on the basis of this, Google can rank your website on Google SERP. So basically, what is SEO? We have a two terminology here. One is your SEO, another one is your SEM. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Like you have to rank your website, you have to make visible your website on the Google SERP without pay anything. And in SEM, you have to rank your website by doing paid advertisement. That is a basic difference between SEO and SEM. Next, what is SEO? SEO, as we already tell you, search engine optimization. It's an art and the science of optimizing your website both internally and externally so that it rank higher in the natural or organic listening of a search engine. First of all, if you are doing your site SEO, so it's not possible that within a day or within some hours you can rank your website. Because if you have a fresh website, so first of all, Google can make your website in an imaginary box. In that imaginary, Google can decide whether your website is capable of ranking or not, whether your website has relevant content or not, uniqueness of content or not. Google first check all these things, and after doing these analysis, Google can do live your website on Google SERP. But you have to do some little efforts. These efforts are known as your SEO efforts. You have a good SEO score just to rank your website, to make your website visible on Google SERP. See, if this is your search engine and you have do a query on your search engine, that is WebFX. WebFX is a company. So what Google shows us? First of all, this is your website, www.webfx.com. Next is your title here, and next is your description here. Okay, the title and the description is displayed on Google SERP is known as your meta title and meta description. Like a small description which shows on Google SERP, these are the eye-catching statements which influence the users about your website. These are external site link or external pages on this site. Contact us, about us, SEO services, our blog. These all are the external blog on the external pages on WebFX site. When the Google crawl this website, then Google also crawl all these pages just to make them indexing or to make them live on the Google. This is your organization snippet, like where your organization exists, what is the direction, website, or call details here. Okay, and further if you move down, then you can also get another result which is related to WebFX. So this is how your search engine working. Okay, and in our upcoming slide we will learn more about SEO, like how your SEO is working, what are their type, and on what factor SEO is moving. So till now, thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching this video.